What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel.
In today's video, we're gonna see how fast the K-Truck can go, or how slow.
So in a previous video, we unboxed it, took a look at it. You know, it's nothing special, but I have the little speed meter here, and we wanted to run it, so why not see how fast it can go? So we're gonna get some shots, see what it can do, and just kind of, you know, let you know if it's good at all. Woo! There it goes. Okay, so here it is up against the Bronco. You can see how much smaller it is, but I think that's pretty proportionate actually, because they are really small, so I kind of like that. It's pretty accurate. All right, so I got the speed meter all set here, and just gonna put it right in the passenger seat and let her rip. Go. Straight. Okay, now turn around, come back by one more time. Jesus! You are a horrible driver. All right, we have a max speed of 5 miles an hour, baby. Wow. Wow, 5 whole miles an hour. This thing is a speed demon. All right, I'm gonna drive it around a little bit just to kind of see what it can do. Mrs. Propaganda is just not a good driver. No, you had that. It's got a nice tight turning radius. See it? Well, it certainly isn't gonna set any speed records, and it definitely seems like it's gonna get stuck on the dirt a little bit, but you know, I don't really know what everyone's doing with them. I know people are making them into drifters and stuff, but it would be cool on like asphalt just to get some cool shots and stuff. So we did kind of have a size comparison with the Bronco. Now we're just gonna kind of do a little crawling with it just so you can kind of see what it can do, and then we'll kind of let you know what we think about it in the end. So as you can see, it just gets stuck on the tiniest little bit with those little tires. Speed is definitely your friend. guys, there you have it. The K-Truck, first maiden voyage. It's definitely nothing special. It barely can get over the dirt. The tires just get no traction. Obviously, it's two-wheel drive, so only those little rear tires are turning. The remote, like the steering is very touchy. Like if you try to turn just a little bit, even at that 5 miles an hour, it kind of darts off and stuff. But you know, it's not really designed to be anything crazy. Like, you know, you could give this to a little kid and they would have some fun. It comes in at $60, so you know, it's not breaking the bank or anything. I thought maybe at some point we could paint it up and make it into like a little shop truck that delivers parts for the crawlers and stuff. You know, I just got it to have a few laughs at, really. So I know people are making them into drifters and stuff, so you know, it's just a fun little like novelty item at best, I would say. Well, all right guys, that is going to wrap it up for this video on the K-Truck. We really appreciate you guys watching.
Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and follow us on Instagram, and we catch you on the next one.